Hello, my prayer Bible friends and digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to go over the prayer Bible notebook digital version. We've been making prayer Bibles in notebooks, in little binders, and all the things. So I made one for a digital planner. So that's what we're going to go over. If you're new around here, my name is Brandy Reed, and I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, prayer Bibles, and prayer Bible supplies. Okay, so here is our prayer Bible notebook. I wanted to go over how to use it real quick. This is the front page. If you hit the spine at any point in time, it's going to take you to the index. I'll show you that in just a minute. Our first page has this is where this video will be located. So if you ever want to come back to this video, you can just tap right there and that will take you to this video that you're watching right now. This will take you to the free Prayer Bible Hub. And then this is if you have not purchased the enhanced package yet, you can purchase it there. Which if you're having the Prayer Bible, you probably already have the enhanced package. Okay, so if we tap this spine right here, you will go to our index page. This is our index where everything is linked, where all of the things that all the pages are already linked, where you can just tap one of them and it will go to it. Down here are some extra pages that you can copy. So say that you need some more pages for wisdom. You would come down and copy this page and add it. Make sure you make a copy of it, because if you don't, you're going to ruin the links. If you don't know how to do that, I can show you that in just a few minutes after we have gone through how to use this. So all of our top up here are different, the different sections. So this is section 1, 2, 3, and so forth. I left 7 and 8 completely empty so that you could add your own ideas and own topics. I also left some empty in here in case you wanted to put your family members. This is kind of like the family section. So in my prayer Bible, I like to have individual pages for my family members, like my daughter, my son, my husband. So I left some empties right there. There's also one extra one right there. So let's go through it and how to use it. So you will tap on the number 1, and that's going to bring you to the divider of the number 1. You can either slide over or tap any of these on the side, and that's going to give you your each of your topics. So we have daily prayer, gratitude, provision, forgiveness, tempted, relationship with God, faith, and waiting on God. And then there's 10 scriptures for each one. Some of them are all on one page. Some of them it takes 2 and maybe even 3 pages, depending on how big. Like, Psalm 25 was kind of big, so it might have taken 3 pages. This little cross here takes you to your answered prayer section, and we'll go over that again in a little bit in a minute, but that's what the cross stands for if you noticed that. So we'll go back to 1. So again, like if you want to just tap on the side, it goes to provision, and there is our provision verses. Now over here on the side is where I like to have my prayer section. So we'll go over that in just a minute. I wanted to make sure you saw all of these. So we have word of the year, vision board, identity in God, healing, protection, strength, favor, and a blank. And in the past videos I've done, I always think it's very important to have your word of the year and the verse of your year in your prayer Bible, along with a vision board. And there's identity of God, healing. Okay, so my healing I've already kind of played with a little bit just to show you. You will also get some sticky notes in each of the colors. There's 6 sticky notes in each color. And what you can do is you can copy it over and add it to, like this is, oops, I don't have my pen on. That is a sticky note, and then I've just put text on top of it. Or you can just write your text right on the side. You can use your handwriting, whatever you feel like doing. But this makes it so it just dresses it up just a little bit. And then what you can do is when they're healed, or whatever your prayer is answered, you just highlight, you lasso around it, tap it, hit the copy button, which is GoodNotes is updated again. So if you're not familiar with this, you may need to update your GoodNotes. This is the copy button right here. So we're going to copy it. We'll come down and tap the answered prayer. Oh, I don't have my answered prayer, and then paste, and then paste that one right into my answered prayer section. So that's how that works. So that way, I again think it's very important to see what prayers have been answered so that you can see things, how God has been moving in your life. We'll go back. Okay, so we did 1 and 2. Yes, we did 1 and 2. 3 is family, marriage, our home, love, and then again, there is 4 left open for you to be able to add your own. And all you have to do is, I'm going to put in my husband's name. So we have Josh. Tap off, tap. We can use our lasso tool. Whoop. Okay, come on, lasso tool. Lasso it, tap it, and then this box right here will bring you this where you can just tilt it sideways. Now, to have it on each one, you are going to need to go and copy. We'll just move this one in place, and then you're going to have to go and paste each of this whole section. Okay, come on. Into place on each one. Paste. So it's a little time consuming, but I figured you really would want to have some in that. You want to be able to have some to personalize yourself. So that's how you would do that. And then no matter where, Josh, so I'm going to highlight this as Josh's page. And then that way, anytime you touch, well, it's not going to work on that one, Josh, it's going to automatically go to Josh's page because it's already linked for there. Okay, so number 4 is wisdom, finance, grief, anxiety, doubt, addiction, work ethic, and business. 5 is honesty, courage, hope, anger, self-control, patience, peace, joyfulness. Attributes, Israel, ministry, salvation, spiritual warfare, purpose, thought life, grace. And then again, 7 and 8 are already ready for you to use whatever you want. Also, if you notice on the side here, they all do have, if you want to go back to them, if you're, say, in section 4, it's going to have section 3 or the previous is on the side here. Let's go back to the spine. All right, so how do we, if we needed an extra page, we would go to that page. Come on, give me my thing. We're going to come up here and we're going to, I just touched this 4 little box thing here. Hit copy. And then you're going to go to whichever section you wanted to add that to. So say I wanted to add it to this one right here. We'll go add page after. And then you're going to type the one that says paste page. And that added in your blank page. So now you have your addiction and a blank page. And then you can add, write in addiction, say you needed more verses for addiction. And then you can add in your own verses over here. And so that is how that works. So you get the prayer Bible, the sticky notes. There is 8 different colors, 6 colors for each one. And yeah, so that is our digital prayer Bible notebook. I had a customer ask for one, so this is what we came up with, and it's included in the enhancement package. So if you have not gotten the enhancement package yet, you would want to grab onto that. And again, if you want to come back to this video, if you need any questions or anything, you can just tap right there on your own notebook, and this will take you to the free hub, and this will take you to the enhanced package section. So that is the Prayer Bible Notebook. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. I hope you have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.